Hi friends, welcome to my channel NM Learn Make Courses with Nagmani, and today we will see the continuation of previous video. This type method will helpful to IP point of view, but if come to the for competitive exams, it is very time consuming process. So we will see the shortcut for the 3 by 3 matrix for determining inverse of the matrix. And another method, or you can write shortcut, the method for this only. If you see, A inverse equal to 1 by det A into adjoint matrix, you have to write divide into 4 parts, that is, one is A, B, C, D, and transpose. What it comes here, A, what is B, what is C, what is D, I will say. Now if you see, the given matrix is A equal to 1 2 1 3 1 1 minus 1 0 1. You have to divide this matrix into 4 parts. This is A, and if you take this matrix 2 by 2 matrix is B, this 2 by 2 matrix is C, and this 2 by 2 matrix is D. Now write here 1 by det A into here 1, here first D matrix 1 0 0 1. Write here 1 0 0 1, and for C matrix here 3 1 minus 1 0 3 1 minus 1 0. And similarly B and A, where B is 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1, and for A 1 3 3 1. Whole transpose. If you how to find the transpose of matrix? If you write A, B, C, D matrices here, then we will find det A is similarly first method only, and here we get minus 6. So minus 1 by 6 I am writing here. And how to find for the cofactor matrix? If you see, you just find the determinant of this matrix, then you get that element. If you find the determinant of this position, 1 into 1 minus 0, you will get 1, and 0 into minus 1 0, minus of 3 into 1 3 kada, so 0 minus 3 minus 3. Here 3 into 0 0, minus into minus plus 3 0 plus 1 will get plus here. And similarly here 1 1 1 0 1 1, here 1. So now if you see, 1 into 1 1 minus 0 1 minus 0 1 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 3, we will get here minus 4, and here 3 into 0 0, minus into minus plus 1, 3 0 plus 1, we will get plus 1 only. And now coming to this position, you find the determinant of this matrix. 0 into something 0, minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2. Similarly this 1 into 1 1, minus of minus plus 1 into 1 1 1 plus 1 2. Here minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 0, we will get minus 3 here. Okay, minus 3 here. Wait a minute, I am saying something. Minus here, what happened to me? 1 2 3 4. Okay, now if you see this, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, here we get minus 2. I'm really sorry. And now coming to this position, you find the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. 2 ones are 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will get plus 1. And for this position you have to find the matrix of 2 by 2 matrix. 1 into 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 2. And 1 into 1 minus 3 to the 6. 1 minus 6 minus 5. You have to find the transpose. Then you will get 1 by 6 into 1 minus 4. 1 minus 2. Oh, sorry. Transpose of matrix. 1 minus 4. 1 is row is converted into column. Na? So 1 minus 4 and 1. This row is converted into this column. Minus 2, 2, minus 2. Minus 2, 2 and minus 2. Here 1, 2, minus 5. 1, 2, minus 5. This is the inverse of the matrix. If you see the first method also, we are getting the same. Here we are getting the same. If you want, take a screenshot